Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about our next topology, that is star topology. In star topology, all the nodes are connected to central system called as hub or switch. So let's learn about it in detail. Star topology is the easiest topology to design and establish. All the nodes, that is computer and all other devices, are directly connected to a central node called as a hub or a switch. Here, hub acts as a server and all other devices are the clients, nodes or workstations. Nodes interact with each other and communication takes place via server. Server keeps the track of the addresses of all the nodes in a network. The star topology does not actually resemble a star, but it is necessary that all the nodes in this network must be connected to one central hub. Advantages of star topology are: it's easy to extend or reconfigure. It's simple to add new nodes or remove nodes without affecting any other nodes, as it has number of concentration points where connections can be given easily. Line cost is minimum. It's easy to disconnect the node having failure from the functional network. Control is centralized, so fault can be detected easily. In this, central node has control of the transmission, so access protocols are very simple. Disadvantages of star topology are: hub represents a single point of failure. If it fails, all the nodes attached to it are disabled. Long cable length is required as each node is directly connected to the central node. The cost of installation is high. Cables may not cost much, but cable ducts maintenance and installation may increase its cost. It's difficult to expand, that is to add a new node in a star network, as we have to connect it all the way to the central node. Star topology is dependent on central node. If the central node fails, then the entire network stops functioning, so one has to take care that the central node is very reliable. Common application of star topology can be seen in personal area network established by us, where it is used for data processing and voice communication. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe.